With the power off, connect the cables from the rotary table to the connectors on the side of the electrical box. Connect the air supply to the rotary table. Apply power to the CNC. To turn on the A-axis from the G-code side of the control, press jog. While in E-stop, hold the A enable disable button for 10 seconds. You will see the A-axis displayed. Release the E-stop and press escape. Now you may home all axes by pressing reference search, all axes, cycle start. To remove the A-axis, depress the E-stop button, hold the A enable disable button for 10 seconds. Remove the power from the machine. If necessary, remove the connectors from the side of the electrical box. To jog in the G-code mode, press the A+ or A- button for the A rotary table. The clamp will release, the axis will move. When you let go, it will reclamp. In the conversational mode, the A-axis is shown in the box on the screen. To jog it, press the jog key, it will release and clamp when you let go. To move the A-axis in the conversational mode, G-code will have to be used. Press the ISO button twice and enter the code you wish to move. For a feed move, G1, A will go to 180 degrees, 180. Feed rate will be 360 in degrees per minute. To store this to a program, press part program. Go to the top, create new part, hit part program again. Name the program, we call this A test. Enter, and enter again, and enter again, and it will store it to the program. Now to execute it, press the cycle start key. The axis will move at 360 degrees per minute to 180 degrees.